Hey everyone, look at this beautiful lamp. Let's make it. For that we are going to make the base first using cloth clips. So paste all of them together and tie it like this, and look, the base is ready. Now cut the shape from the paper like this. Now trace the paper on the white sheet of paper. Now cut 20 such pieces like this. Now we are going to tuck all of them one after another. Look like this. It will give a rose shape as well to the lamp. Now tuck it and make a circle like this. Look how we are tucking it, and close the circle. Now put a bulb inside like this, or you can also put a fairy light. Now put it on the top of the base, switch on the light, and look, your side lamp is ready. You can also use it as hanging lamp like we are doing here, and look, it is done. Look at this spinning lamp. Let's make it. For that we need 2 paper cup. Make a cut like we are doing here using cutter. Now open all the cuts like this. Look how we are doing here. Take another cup and make a square cut on it. Now we're going to fold this wire, bend it and give it shape like this. Now put another cup on the top of it. Before that, put a lamp at the bottom of it. Close it, and look, it is spinning, and how cute this is looking. We are going to make this beautiful bulb using ice cream sticks. For that we are going to remove the outer layer of the shape. After this, tie a rubber band at the center and put ice cream sticks around it. Paste it using hot glue gun. Remove the rubber band. It's ready. Now we are going to make 2 such shapes. Combine both of them together and look at the zigzag shape at the center. Put it on the top of the bulb base. Switch on the light, and look, your glowing lamp is ready. You can use it for various festive seasons as well. Look at this colorful side lamp. Let's make it. We need ice cream sticks for that. So make a triangular frame, make more such frames. Now make small pieces of these colorful straws, and we are going to put it at the center of the triangular shape. Paste it. We are going to make more such frames. Combine all of them together. Keep it aside. Now we are going to make the base. So put all the frames together like this in a zigzag way. Put it on the top of this bulb. Light on the bulb, and look, your glowing side table is ready. And look how pretty and colorful the lights are looking. Let's make this beautiful hanging lamp. So we need 2 paper cups. Cut the base of 1 paper cup and paste another paper cup on the top of it. Now we are going to cut 30 to 40 white strip of paper. Now we are going to paste it around those paper cups in a twisted manner like this and give it a shape. Now put a fairy light or bulb at the center. Switch on the light, and look, your beautiful hanging lamp is ready. We are going to make this side lamp. We are going to make 2 square frames. Now put bamboo sticks around it. With the help of this box, we are going to paste all the 4 bamboo sticks. Now cover the top using another frame. Paste double-sided tape on it and spin it and cover it using this jute rope. Spin the frame and cover it till the top. Cut the extra part. Now we are going to put it on the top of this bulb frame. Switch on the light, and look, your beautiful and very creative side table lamp is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.